with an objective to provide safe, reliable, affordable and sustainable public transport service. Manipur State Transport will be launching city bus service and student bus service from October 9. A public notice issued by Transport Director stated that the routes of city bus service would be Imphal to Yaripok 3:30 a.m., Kaching 8:30 a.m., Sekmai 8 a.m., Bishnupur 8 a.m., Laisangthem 7:30 a.m. and Lamlai 8 a.m. The routes for student bus service for which destination point would be the eastern gate of Danamanjuri College, Imphal and Kaching Lamkhai 7:30 a.m., Moirang 7:30 a.m., Sekmai 8 a.m., Lamlai 8 a.m. and Mayang Imphal 7:30 a.m. The Transport Director urged public and students to avail the services of government public transport.